In this video, we're going to look at the answer to one simple question, which is how do you know what to price your products at on Etsy? So did you know, on Etsy, unlike on Amazon KDP, you can actually make a loss with every sale that you make. And that's because it generally costs 20 cents to list an item. And then also for every sale, Etsy charge a transaction fee, and there may also be additional fees on top of that as well. Now, especially if you're selling physical products, it's especially important to do the calculations to make sure you're making a profit for every sale. Because there's nothing worse than selling 10, 100, 1,000 products if at the end of the day you're losing 10 cents for every sale. You know, that's just not the way forward, obviously. But fortunately, there's a tool out there called Everbee, which is a plugin that sits on your web browser. And as well as keyword research and product analysis, it also has a really handy Etsy calculator as well. So if we go on over to Etsy now, we can see it in action. So let's pretend we're making a digital planner. They sell really well on Etsy, and it's a good place to start with this example. So searching here, you can see there's quite a lot of results. And scrolling down, they're listed for quite a cheap price as well. So you've got a lot for around 99p, which are near the top of the search. So in order to stand out, you're going to need to make something better, which is going to be quite hard. So then one other option is to undercut the pricing and go in cheaper. But how cheap can we go so we still make a profit? That is where this Etsy calculator comes in handy. And on here, you can enter your sales price, your shipping price, any discounts, as well as the cost of item, the shipping costs, and then it will give you all of the breakdown here on the right-hand side. So for an example, this digital product is selling for 99 cents. Because it's a digital file, there won't be any shipping price, and there probably won't be a cost of the item or a shipping cost either. So if we click calculate, this shows us the breakdown of how much money you would make per sale. So for this 99 cents digital planner, you get a revenue of 99 cents. However, it would cost you 20 cents to list the item, a 6 cents transaction fee, and a 28 cents processing fee. So in terms of the fees there, it's looking like it's going to cost us 54 cents out of that 99 cents of revenue. So that means with every sale, you're making a net profit of 45 cents. So let's say we wanted to massively undercut that and price it at 49 cents. Let's see what that turns out like. So if we listed our item at 49 cents, trying to, massively undercut what's already out there, you can see due to the costs here, which come up to 49 cents, that we would actually make a profit of 0 for every sale. Now you might need to run ads to these to sell them as well. So you're probably going to make a loss on this product. And if we went even more aggressive and set them to 39 cents, you can see here at the bottom, you're actually making a profit of minus 10 cents for every sale. So that shows the importance of looking at the profit calculator for digital items. But taking it one step further, it's really, really useful for physical products. So let's say we're selling a t-shirt for $9.99 and we're charging $2.99 for shipping. Now the cost of the item for us, let's say it costs $4.99. And the shipping cost for us as well is also $2.99. So within that, this kind of gives you a really nice breakdown of how much money you're making per sale. So you're bringing in $12.98 in revenue, which is the sales and the shipping price. For the cost, you've got the 20 cents listing fee, 84 cents transaction fee, 64 cents processing fee, but then you've also got the costs of goods and the shipping costs on top of that. So you can see here at the bottom, from a total revenue of $12.98, you're only making $3.32 per sale. So that's really, really fantastic. And one final thing to look at is when we give out discount codes. So in order to incentivize a sale, let's say we're doing a 25% off voucher. We can look at the impact of that here. So on the same price, we come down here and due to the 25% discount, you can see the sales is reduced by 25%, which reduces our revenue. And therefore at the bottom, we're now only making $1.06 per sale. So this calculator is a really, really useful tool to use. It's fantastic to just have a play about and try and find the ideal pricing points for your products. It's important to look at what's already out there and what the pricing is, but at the end of the day, you also need to be making a profit on your sales. So this is a really handy little tool to use, and I'd highly recommend giving it a go. If you want to try it out for yourself, click the link in the description below. Okay, that's it for this Etsy video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.